Do you want to know how to use the timeline under Davinci Resolve? Or do you find it difficult how to use all the functions and the options on the timeline under Davinci Resolve? Then this is definitely the video for you to watch. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here on my channel, Sander TV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated about how you can use Davinci Resolve with your video editing and how everything works. And subscribe to us, give us a little bit support, we can really use it so we can continue to create beautiful videos for you to learn and watch about tutorials about Davinci Resolve and other subjects that might be interested for you as well. We are back here again on the Davinci Resolve to dive in straight in on the subject for today. In this case, here I see for recording purposes, I have already uploaded 5 short clips. And in this case, these are clips that I just recently made because here in the Netherlands, in April or May is the flower season. So there's a lot of tulips out there. If you want to know more about it, please let me know in the comments below. And I shot a couple of beautiful videos here with close-ups about some flowers. And I think, okay, I'm gonna use it in this video for recording purposes and for an example. Well, as you can see here, we have the timeline here in front of us under the edit page, edit dashboard. Let me get rid of the inspector here so it's nice, clean and slick here. And here on the top of the timeline, you see a couple of options. Well, the first one with the red arrow, the red mouse pointer here, it lets you just select a couple of your clips here on the timeline. But as you can see, we'll dive right in the first option here. As you can see here, each and every clip has its own audio file. Well, and when I drag this video clip here, you see here there's a lot of changes going on here, plus 10 seconds. That means, and the reason for this is because actually these files are belonging together, but they're not linked. And the reason for that is because if you go here to the front, up here, if you press that one, it will light up, turn green. So when you select a video, it will be linked to the corresponding audio file. But when I unselect that and I choose all these, for example, and I'm gonna move them around, you will see that all the audio files will stay in place. And depending on where you slide it to the right, it will adjust, will add up a couple of more seconds, or otherwise it will, if you go to the other side, let me give you a look here. And here, as you can see here, same with this one, you go to the right side, it will add up a couple of seconds, and go to the left side, it will reduce the seconds for the time duration of your videos itself. But it could be quite messy if you deselect that. So for me, myself personally, I always keep that one on because I want to make sure that all the audio files that are linked to that particular video stays together. It just makes everything easier because otherwise it could be quite messy. And the second thing what you see here is the magnet. What the magnet for is, what it does is when I select 2 of these, or I select one of my videos here, and actually I don't have to select all of them because they're all linked. When I select it and I want to attach it to the previous clip or the first clip, what it will happen is I really have to slowly attach it to the corresponding to the next clip or video. But when I click on that, what it will do is will automatically draw in, it will automatically attach itself to that next clip or previous clip, depending on which side you are editing the thing actually. And here upstairs here above, you see the trim edit mode. Well, what that does is when you're trimming or you want to adjust a file here, and you want to edit it, what you can do is, what happens here is it will overlap the previous video of you, and it will make trimming a lot more easier. And the second one is the dynamic trim mode, I haven't find out everything myself yet, but I'm gonna teach you in my next video. And the next one, the third one, is here's one of my favorite. It's you're gonna use it if you want to crop or you want to trim your videos. You just slice it in between where you want certain parts of your video you want to already exclude it from your timeline or from your video clip. Then you can just do that, but let me undo everything there. Split clip. There we are, we're back at the beginning. And the third one here is if you want to insert another clip. And how to do that is go out here first. We open the media pool and we're gonna just select one clip here. Let me take this one and I say, okay, I want to add it here in between. And what I do is I go there, I choose the video that I want, and I'm gonna insert it right in there, and it will insert between those two clips that you did. You can do that in every part of itself, but what will happen if I add it up in the middle of one clip? What will happen then? That's something that I'm quite curious about, but we'll just find out what will happen. And it will immediately trim the video and insert it in the corresponding clip itself. So that might be quite handy if you already know where to put your certain clip, or you want to use it as a b-roll, but you already know a little bit about where you want your b-roll to start. So that could be also an option for you then. The next one is to overwrite a clip. What you do is when overwriting a clip, what it says is, then go to the pointer again first, and overwrite the clip. You're going to select this clip because maybe you decided, okay, I don't want to use that clip. Let me use the other one as an example. And I'm gonna take another clip there instead, overwrite the clip. I'm gonna put it there, choose a clip here and overwrite it. What will happen is, as you can see here, it will overwrite the other clip and put the new clip instead. So that are a couple of basic options what you can do here on the timeline. I'm gonna create a more detailed and more in-depth video about how the timeline works, but this will give you a basic idea about how to use the timeline under Davinci Resolve. So if you have any questions and learned something from this, give this video a like and also share it with those people or friends who you think might be also interested, be helpful about how to use this timeline. And also don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, this shouldn't be that difficult, but if it's still overwhelming for you, you can also use my services where I can help you to edit your video projects for you. And so you don't have to worry about that. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you all back again soon in the next video here on my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon.